Our FIREPOT meals are lightweight dehydrated meals, ideal for use as part of any outdoor activity. These pouches are compostable. They're designed to break down in compost within a year, so it's very important the pouch is kept dry. Tear open the pouch and remove the oxygen eater sachet. That's the only part of this product which isn't compostable, so it's important to dispose of this separately. You then have two options for how you make your meal. The first is the pan method. Simply tip the contents of the pouch into your pan and add the required amount of cold water. Next, you stir the contents. You cover the pan and you bring it to the boil. Turn off the heat and keep the pan covered. Your food will be ready to eat in 10 minutes. Alternatively, you can make your FIREPOT meal by mixing the dry food with boiling water in a container. Again, the right amount per the volume specified on your packet. Next, you seal and simply wait. This time for 15 minutes. Stir thoroughly one more time and simply enjoy. When you take your pouch home, dispose of it in your general waste bin or your compost bin if you have one. They simply decompose.